Pillar 47. The high friction deployment. The kinetic test. Phase 4. The execution, the narrative prelude. The diamond and the dust. A Bob seeks the path of least resistance. He wants things to be easy and smooth. He doesn't realize that without friction, there is no grip. There is only drift. To be level, you must intentionally enter high friction zones. You must take your 0.0 degrees verticality into the heart of the marketplace's chaos and prove that your internal frequency is louder than their external noise. The master's question: am I hiding in the indigo calm? Or am I deploying my stone into the fire to see if it cracks? The story: the anvil's edge. The fox led Cyrus to a factory floor where massive pistons were slamming into steel plates with a rhythmic, bone-shaking violence. The heat was immense, and the sound was a wall of static. "Most men lose their breath here, Cyrus," the fox shouted over the roar. "They lose their kinetic grace because the environment is too loud. They start to lean because they are trying to protect themselves from the friction." The fox stood inches from a descending piston, his spine perfectly vertical, his breath slow and deep. In Phase 4, you don't look for a quiet room to do your work. You bring your work to the loudest room. You deploy your sovereign command when the stakes are at their highest and the bobs are at their weakest. If your 11-year truth can't survive a high-friction negotiation, it isn't gold. It's just lead-painted yellow. The duality of the R2-tex. Pillar 47. Left side. The mother. The nervous system shield. The mother maintains the cool marrow. She ensures that even when the external friction is high, the internal temperature remains at indigo. Pillar 12. She prevents the adrenaline of the gray city from hijacking the vessel. Right side. The father. The high-pressure execution. The father enforces the geometric persistence. He ensures the mercury tongue, Pillar 19, remains level even when being challenged by a modified authority. He treats friction as a sharpening tool for the sovereign strike. The center is silent, regardless of the storm. Force meets force, only the level survives. Sovereign action. The kinetic test. 0.0 degrees alignment. 1. The friction entry. Choose the one conversation or task you have been avoiding because it feels stressful or difficult. This is your high friction zone. 2. The bellows anchor. Before entering the zone, perform 5 rounds of the internal bellows, Pillar 11. Lock your verticality. 3. The 0.0 degrees. Leveling. Enter the friction. When the other party tries to use modified pressure, anger, urgency, or guilt, do not react. Maintain your marketplace gaze. Pillar 37. 4. The extraction check. Did you maintain your price? Did you keep your breath? If yes, the 11-year stone is set. If no, return to Phase 2, saturation. 0.0 degrees summary. Pillar 47. The high friction deployment. The frequency lock. Power is stability under pressure. To be level is to be the only person in a high friction environment who isn't reacting to the heat. The coordinate check. The lean. Raising your voice, rushing your speech, or fidgeting when challenged. This is a modified collapse. The level. You are the coldest thing in the room. The more the gray city screams, the more silent your command becomes.